In Pivara Skopje, people always come first. Whether it is about our fellow Pivarci, our customers, our consumers, our suppliers, our business partners, or even people from the general public. Pivara is all about what all these people make out of it. And that already for more than 90 years. I come from the Netherlands. We are generally perceived as an open-minded and very progressive culture. And also a part of my professional life I have spent in Africa. I've seen countries with so many challenges, where each single day can be a struggle, yet very positive people determined to make the best out of it. Currently, I am proudly part of Pivara Skopje, leading this organization for some time. And also here again, I am enjoying it so much, where our great people and the people we work with are making the difference. I am very impressed by the dedication, the responsibility and the openness of Pivarci to continually grow and to develop. Employees that stand out as professionals and people that invest a big part of their heart and their mind into Pivara. You can sense the positive vibe and the drive for success. Our employees are true ambassadors for who we are. Our customers are in the center of our attention, as they pave the road for our brands to reach each and every household in Macedonia. I have had the opportunity to meet many of them, and I'm amazed by the energy and the passion they demonstrate when talking about their work. In many occasions, these are family-run businesses, and like for me, for myself, the family is most important. So I understand that passion, I understand that drive to succeed, and their pride. Partnering with our customers means also building strong relationships that drive us forward. Without this, we have no right of existence. The success of Pivara Skopje is also owed to its brands. We have the best beer and soft drink brands, making our consumers enjoy it each and every day. The bond between the Macedonian consumer and our brands is deeply rooted. It's a very strong one. And in respect to such a brand love, our people in Pivara are even more dedicated to create additional value for the consumers, to provide the best-in-class service and an unforgettable brand experience. Our strong relationship with our customers and consumers has been established over decades and decades. This success is valuable only if it is shared. So for us in Pivara Skopje, it is very important to build strong and positive relations with all the people that are part of our community, and to invest time and resources in supporting a broad spectrum of societal values, as our brands are consumed in a social context. People together with people, enjoying since 1924, and we have just started.